Hi, I'm Brian. This is an SAT math question involving lines and angles. So we're given this figure above where we're told that segment QR is parallel to TU. So QR is parallel to TU. And the length of the sides of QR, TU, and TS are 6 and 10 and 9. And then we're told that segment QU intersects segment TR at point S, so they're just intersecting here. We're asked to find the length of segment RS. So we're trying to figure out the length of this. Usually when you see a question like this, you should be thinking about similar triangles and the fact that their sides have to be proportional. You know that these are going to be similar triangles because they share a congruent angle there. Those two angles are vertical, so those are congruent. Since these segments here are parallel, we can use the idea of alternate interior angles to figure out that angle QRS and angle UTS are going to be congruent, and then by the same logic those angles there have to be congruent. So since all the angles of these two triangles are congruent, they have to be similar triangles, therefore I can use a proportion. So I'm going to think of this as comparing the small triangle on top to the big triangle on the bottom. So if I pick this 6 of the small triangle, that matches up with the 10 down the bottom here. Those are corresponding sides, so I'm going to put them in the same ratio. Then I'm going to take another piece of the small triangle, namely RS, and I'll just call it RS for now, and that compares with this 9 right here. If I were to write out the letters, I could say triangle SQR is similar to triangle SUT, and then I can use those letters to match up the things that correspond to each other. As an example, since you see R and S as the third and first letters, you know it matches up with T and S. That's why I use this 9 right here. Do a little cross multiplying or some canceling, and you get 10 times RS equals 6 times 9 is 54. Divide by 10, and you come out with RS equaling 5.4.